guys, today I'm going to be making a quesadilla. First, you need some of these burrito rolls, some of this Mexican blend cheese, and cooked ground meat. Hello, this is my sister, and she's going to help me on the stove.
Hi. The quesadilla needs to be warm on the stove.
After you have warmed the quesadilla on both sides, now spread the chicken and the cheese.
Make a mess.
Now you do the chicken. Put another quesadilla on top of all of your cheese and your meat.
Warm up 2 quesadillas.
Evenly press the quesadilla so the cheese could melt. We just flipped the quesadilla to the other side.
You can use a parent's help to flip it.
A minute after, my quesadilla is done. Now you could shift it into your plate. Now with the pizza cutter, make 8 cuts.
One more cut.
After you're done, enjoy the food. This tastes good. You should put sour cream with that.
Bye-bye.
Bye.